So yeah, all the little bluegill are following it, but nothing else. Probably going to be one of those days, but that's alright. Like I said, we got 2 more ponds in this neighborhood we can go check out. I'm trying to hit the shady spots because, like I said, it's getting a little warm. I know it's supposed to be up in the 90s today, so it's not going to be too cool, so I figure maybe they'd be up camping in some shade or something. We'll see. Like I said, camping in some shade. There he is. Oh yeah. There he is. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Gotcha. Easy there, cowboy. Easy there. A nice little half pounder. Yeah, he was sitting in the shade. He came up and got him. That was beautiful. Came from out of nowhere, and there he was. That's a beautiful thing. Let's take a picture. Happy fat daddy right there. Fat guy fishing, baby. Oh, that was definitely worth it right there. He was just hanging out in the shade. That's all he was doing. Now, let's go find his mom or dad. That would be the stuff right there. If we can find his mom or dad. Hell, I'll even take his big brother or big sister. That was fun. Sitting right up under this tree is where he was.